Spoiler alert! I'm about to show you all the first quest from HEROQUEST, the trial. So if you want to, save yourself from all the surprises and not having spoilers, please don't continue this video. But with this series, you will be able to build all the HEROQUEST board, guys. And this system allows you to create whatever dungeon you want. So buckle up and let's go! I'm very proud of the situation, guys. Now I have already 4 rooms completed and many walls that are ready to be painted. For the measurements of the corridors, I ended up with a simple and elegant solution. I'm creating these little pieces, guys. These are 1 inch and 2 inches, separator, like, 2 tiles. And I'm gonna use them for fill the gaps in the corridors when I put walls between the rooms. It's not a permanent solution. This is, a learning curve process, and I'm just experimenting a lot. But so far, it seems a good solution and very simple to apply. I will create a bunch of new corridors. The torture room is a tile 4x4, one of the classic ones, and I need to paint the torture rack. Crack on! It's very cool how these walls work very well in the end of the corridors, guys. Look at this. This is one, block. It's simply perfect for block a road in a corridor. This is the 2 inches for the double corridor. Look at that. It's simply perfect, guys. You have your road that is closed here. Of course, you need to block it also in other spot, but okay, till now, so far so good. Another fancy stuff that I created is this variation. It's just one that passed through all the wall, and I created several 4 inches segments like this one. This is very useful when you put it between the rooms, so you have just one wall between the rooms. I think this is very elegant and effective. ready to paint all of this stuff, guys. Since I don't want to waste my time, I want to give a black coat of primer to all the white pieces, and then I will start to paint the rack, the torture rack. In the meantime, the black coat will dry and I will be ready to paint all the tiles. Crack on! Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!